Xiaomi has already launched several new smartphones this year, and now it appears to be planning to unveil yet another set of Redmi series handsets. Just 3 months after the launch of the Redmi 5 lineup, its successor, the Redmi 6, has started to surface online. While variants of the Redmi 6 or Redmi 6A were allegedly spotted in a Chinese certification website earlier, a new model that could be a Plus or Pro version has surfaced further. The latest leak also includes images of the smartphone suggesting it will come with an iPhone X-like notch. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. A Xiaomi handset with model number M1805D1SE has been spotted on Tena, the certification website that we mentioned. The Redmi 6 Plus or Pro or whatever it ends up being called appears to be a slightly bigger smartphone than the Redmi 6, similar to the Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus Duo. The new phone sports vertically stacked dual rear cameras, a notch at the top of the display, possibly following in the footsteps of the upcoming Mi 8, and as per the Tena listing, the handset features a 5.84-inch Full HD Plus resolution display with an effective aspect ratio of 19:9. It is powered by an octa-core processor clocked at 2 GHz, but the exact SoC has not been revealed. It could be either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 or the MediaTek Helio P60. According to the listing, the alleged Redmi 6 Plus or Redmi 6 Pro will come in 2, 3 or 4 GB RAM options with 16, 32 and 64 GB of storage options respectively. In terms of optics, there is a 12 megapixel primary sensor for the back with the secondary unknown and a 5 megapixel front shooter. The Tena listing shows that the phone will run Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. It is expected to come with the new MIUI 10. The upcoming smartphone from Xiaomi packs a massive 4000 mAh battery. Dimension-wise, it has been listed as 149.33 x 71.68 x 8.75 mm and weighs in a quite hefty 178 grams. Additionally, it will arrive in several color options being black, rose gold, champagne gold, white, blue, red, pink, grey and silver. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.